Hey dear, we are going to show you top fingerprint door lock, smart door lock, fingerprint door lock. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find a link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with top fingerprint door lock, smart door lock, fingerprint door lock. Number 5. Brand name, Toad. Description: Toad fingerprint lock, keyless USB rechargeable door lock, fingerprint smart. Padlock quick unlock, zinc alloy metal self-developing chip. Using high-tech chips, fingerprint processing is faster, unlocking is more convenient, and your home is safer. Product feature: wide application, perfectly used for doors, cabinets, bikes, backpacks, storage lockers, etc. Easy operation, no need any tools, you can add or delete fingerprints easily by following the instructions of the user manual. 10 groups of fingerprints, the padlock supports up to 10 fingerprints, recording support to administrators. Keyless USB rechargeable door lock, fingerprint smart padlock, quick unlock, zinc alloy metal self-developing chip. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4. Brand name, LACHCO. Specification: material, zinc alloy. Ways to unlock: fingerprint, password, card, mechanical key. Dynamic power consumption, less than 200 milliamperes. Power supply, 4x1.5V AAA alkaline batteries, not included. Biometric electronic door lock, smart fingerprint, code, card, key, touch screen, digital password lock for home. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3. Brand name, RAYKUBE. Descriptions: phone app unlock, fingerprint unlock, card unlock, password unlock. Support limited time password. Secure lock mode. Normal open mode. USB emergency interface. Easy replace old lock. Use 4 PCs AA 1.5 volts battery. Fingerprint door lock, digital keyboard, smart card combination knob lock for home, office, hotel, DIY door lock. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2. Brand name, Padlock. Product name, household door traditional lock type biometric. Model, FLS 5 250 grams, with 2 keys, FLS 330 grams, without keys. Dimension, 88.453, 418.9 millimeters. Material, zinc alloy. Type C input, 5V100 mAh. Battery, 180 mAh, 37 volts capacity, 10 sets. Waterproof, IP65. Padlock smart lock, keyless fingerprint lock, IP65 waterproof, anti-theft security. Padlock door luggage case lock with key and cable. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1. Brand name, Hand. Fingerprint door lock with Bluetooth TT lock app, password, smart card, 13.56 mAh, static work with gateway, Wi-Fi, Alexa. Front unit splash proof. Bluetooth version. TT lock app. Phone app, fingerprint password, smart card, key unlock. Temporary password. Timed password. English voice. Universal both for right or left door. Suitable for 38 to 70 millimeters door thickness. Can work with Alexa and Google Assistant. Need gateway. Waterproof, Wi-Fi, fingerprint rim lock, smart car, digital code. Electronic door lock for home security, mortise lock. For more information, product link in the description box.
Thank you for watching this video.